In today's episode, we'll be talking about how I choose my travel destinations. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. First things first, what do you guys think about my new introduction? Thank you, Mr BeatBoxx, for hooking me up with that intro. So I think it was on Friday evening, they had announced that Gabs is going on lockdown, and what was sad, I had a mini meltdown, okay? I had a mini meltdown because I thought I was finally gonna go visit Gabs. It's been, I think, close to 3 months, February, March, April, May, June. Close to 4 months without seeing my family. I haven't been to Gabs in that long. I think the last time I was in Gabs was like my birthday weekend. So I was just like missing home and I was like bummed about it. Also, I was advised to use my microphone because apparently my sound quality is a bit low. So we're gonna be doing a little unboxing with video micro, the Rode microphone. I've never actually used it, and I bought this I think like a year ago. BeatBoxx and I were supposed to do like the unboxing of it. Tell me if there's a difference. Here's the microphone. It comes with the, I know this is for wind, I just don't know what it's called. This fluffy thing is for when like I'm shooting outside, but I don't think I'll be using that. So I have this Rode, the stabilizer thingy majiggy that holds it, and the connection, and my adapter for the eye. Hopefully it would sound way much better than what I've been giving you guys before. So I'm just gonna tell me if there's a difference, okay? And then if there is and it's actually like really good, then from now on I'll be shooting with this. I think it's pretty silly that I haven't been shooting with this after spending so much. So I got this from Botswana Tourism Organization, and there's a map of Botswana in here. So this is not how I choose my travel destinations. My travels are mostly based on cultural tourism. So when I was studying in China, I was actually very impressed with how they're preserving their culture, how they're preserving their traditions. And you know, we even had a class in varsity called Chinese culture. I don't know if it was because we're international students, but I thought it was really cool that they had Chinese culture, and we did the whole Chinese calligraphy, we did Tai Chi, and we learned how to make jiaozi, which is also known as Chinese dumplings. So when I was asked about my culture and traditions, I didn't know much actually, to be honest. I was born and raised in Gaborone, which is the capital city of Botswana, and I wasn't exposed to a lot of these things. So I feel like this is my time, this is my chance to get to learn and have it be a me thing, not where I'm being forced by my parents, my family, or anything. So it's something that I really want to do, something that I want to show the world as well, because my friends were like really curious, and they're like, you know what, when you get back home, you best start a YouTube channel so that we can see Botswana through your eyes. So that's what I do. And at the beginning of the year, Botswana Tourism Organization, which is BTO, they release a calendar of events that will be happening throughout the year. So what I usually do is I go to that calendar and I check out things that interest me. I've been for the Domboshaba Festival, which is a festival that celebrates the Ikalanga tribe, and it was amazing. So I drove all the way to Francistown, and I went to the Domboshaba ruins. So there's a place that's actually called Domboshaba ruins around that area, and I got to learn the history of how they became ruins and what was going on there, and it was very enlightful. It was very enlightening. So I did that, and I also went to Makgadikgadi Epic. But with Makgadikgadi Epic, it was because I I wanted to go skydiving, so I was really excited to try. And I went to Makadikadi Epic. There was the skydiving events, there was four-wheelers, there was, what else did we do? Bike riding, and there was, I think, yoga. And after that, we took a drive to Nata. We got to see like Pelican Lodge. That's how I ended up going there. We got to see the salt pans actually. And you know, as I was also skydiving, I got to see the salt pans. They're pink. I thought salt was white. I know this sounds silly, but what other events? Oh, I've been to Guru Dance Festival. Guru Dance Festival is a festival for the San people. I don't know if I should say indigenous Botswana, please correct me if I'm wrong. And that was really amazing. That was really amazing, seeing them going into trance, because this festival happens when it's a full moon or a blood moon, and they do the spiritual dance and go into a trance where they dance, and the traditional healer is there, and it's just so moving and very emotional. That is also on my video, so you can go check that video out. It's really amazing. This was when I just started vlogging, so I was still very new to it, still very scared of vlogging people and around people, so that was that. And then yeah, basically that's what I do. So I check out festivals that I'm interested in, festivals that are cultural, and then I check if there's any natural historical sites or natural attractions like a hill or something. Then I go there, or a nice lodge. I check that and then I go. I mean, now that I have my travel bucket list, I will be choosing from that. I won't have to be doing that whole going to the BTO calendar, and most of the events have been actually cancelled. Hey guys, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. If you have any other questions that I did not answer in this, just let me know.